Hey guys, welcome back to 702 Motoring in Las Vegas. So we just finished this 21 Road Glide right here. And this bike has got a little more special process we've done on this one, equipment wise. This one here, we're using the brand new Diamond Audio Neo 6x9s. And we're using a set of Diamond Audio Neo 6.5s. So we're also, this is the first set of our horn mounts that we've fabricated and designed, and this is one of 3 sets that we offer, designed for a cut-in kit. Like if you have a saddlebag lid or some different configuration, as of this time we really don't have a solution for it, but we sell a lot of cut-in kits, and this is designed to work for the cut-in kit and works perfectly. So we make 3 different designs. We make one for the single MO75T shallow horn, for a dual MO75T shallow horn, and a large CERWIN VEGA P75T shallow horn. These are custom fabricated. These are the final product versus our prototypes. Again, this is a 6.5 Neo for the rear, 6x9, excuse me, 6.5 for the front. We're using 2 SOUNDIGITAL amplifiers, a 1200.4-2 ohm for the 4 mids, and 800.4 EVOX for the 4 horns that we have. New SOUNDIGITAL HKI mini digital sound processor. And there's the boxes, little product right here. We use all Kicker Q series RCAs, 6 pairs, and some connections. We've got 1200.4 mounted in the fairing with an amp rack, and 800.4 in the back saddlebag lid here. This guy here's got extremely, I mean, I can't even look at that light. It's really bright. So very clean. It's got some saddlebag covers inside here. Let's see what this maybe sounds like. This thing sucks a lot of juice. So we got a charger on it. And this is some Tom Macdonald music here. See what you guys think, how this baby sounds.
Dear Slim, I thought you might have heard of me maybe, cause lately everywhere I turn someone's comparing us crazy. I never would have thought when I was bumping Biggie and Pac that I would buy bleach in a box and become the product of shade. But I'm here now. Hi, my name is Tom Macdonald. People call me controversial. I'm the one that counterculture follows. Every song I drop's a problem. I offend an awful lot with topics commenting on race and politics. I'm pretty awesome. Dear Slim, I know we're very different politically. Seems like some of your biggest fans are the victims I'm triggering. They're convinced I don't like you, which ain't consistent with history. I was picked on as a kid and they don't know what Slim did for me. But I'm here now, and I fight the system just like you. Was addicted to pills and liquor and quit them just like you. People claim that you hate me, but Marshall, that can't be right, dude. You'd have to hate yourself as well as Marshall. I'm you. Marshall, remember back when you became Eminem. You changed the world with a pen. Well, now I'm just like you. I don't give a what, saying what I want with my fingers up. Everybody triggered and they think I suck, but I don't give a what. I don't give a what. Dear Slim, I thought that maybe because you paved the way for me, you might relate to weight that Caucasian rappers are carrying. They're constantly comparing us to you. It's embarrassing. Never gaining their approval. It's just hate we're inheriting. But I'm here now. Go ahead and hate it. Don't hurt. Call me culture vulture garbage. Those are ignorant words.
Really low on voltage, guys.
The poultry in a pan till it's burnt. See, Marshall, I'm just like you. I'm flipping the bird. Dear Slim, I just want to give you your flowers. I spent hours memorizing all of your songs in 2000. You were the reason I screamed at all of my teachers. A teen, I needed your CD on repeat and Shady's face on my t-shirt. But I'm here now. Call me controversial just like you. We're both white, both rap, both of our eyes blue. Screw any guy who tries to say you've changed and don't like you. Cause in my mind it's still 99. And I'm you. Marshall, remember back when you became Eminem. You changed the world with a pen. Well, now I'm just like you. I don't give a what, say what I want with my fingers up. Everybody.
So we're low on battery power here to really get the performance out of the system. We tuned the DSP tonight. Took a little bit of time. Takes a while to charge the battery when it's pretty low. We don't force charge them. We use the right load to charge the battery. I'm gonna go through the song, but just so you know, unfortunately, I can't run this thing to full potential here. Plus, I was picking up in the morning time. I need to be able to get some charge the battery here. But we'll go through this song, maybe a little bit of another one, and we'll wrap this baby up.
Remember back when you became Eminem. You changed the world with a pen. Well, now I'm just like you. I don't give a what, saying what I want with my fingers up. Everybody triggered and they think I suck, but I don't give a what. Nah, 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 nah. I don't give a what. Nah, 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 nah. Marshall, remember back when you became Eminem. You changed the world with a pen. Well, now I'm just like you. I don't give a what, saying what I want with my fingers up. Everybody triggered and they think I suck, but I don't give a what. Nah, 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 nah. I don't give a what. Nah, 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 nah.
So this is Tom Macdonald. He actually bought a Slim Shady Tift, which I guess is what they call the song. So he has a rights to a Slim Shady song. That's why he's saying these things he's saying in the song. But you know, this Tom Macdonald's got some pretty interesting music. I'll play a little bit one more here, and you know, again, I apologize. This headlight on this bike sucks a lot of power. I mean, I've never seen a light suck so much power in my life.
If you lie to the government, they'll put you in prison. But when they lie to all of us, it's called being a politician. You think taking guns away will save our kids from the killings? But you're pro-choice, abortion kills way more children. If America's so terrible and racist, it probably isn't safe to encourage immigration. Just saying, all the contradictions are embarrassing. You know who hates America the most? Americans. Trigger warnings used to be on TV for seizures, and now they're everywhere to protect millennials' feelings. He, she, his, him, hers, them, they. Screw a pronoun, cause everyone's a retard these days. We hear him preaching at the protest that hatred's the problem, but hating straight men, white folks, and Christians is common. Coca-Cola telling people they should be less white. They preach intolerance, but if you disagree, they fight. There's a race war here, elections based on fear. Black lives only matter once every 4 years. Soldiers died for this country, and every one of us benefits. Give welfare to the bums and forget about the veterans. Black folks and white folks divided by the news, but we are all the same. We are red, white, and blue. Ashamed to be American? Okay, that's cool. Cause honestly, we are all ashamed of you too. Y'all are so fake. Oh no. The forecast said that there'd be snowflakes. Whoa. You can make us see it your way. No way. Gasoline and propane. More flames. No more snowflakes. They set us up to fail, that's what they built the system for. Put an ammunition shop across the street from a liquor store. Empowering women used to be different than this before. The role models got OnlyFans or dance on a stripper pole. Screw it, I ain't tripping, I don't mean to be mean, but if our children are the future, then our future is bleak. They take an Adderall to focus, hit McDonald's to eat. They're addicted to phones and they take Xanax to sleep. They blurred the lines dividing communism and democracy. In 2021, we paint the patriots as Nazis. The men playing women's sports get trophies for winning. Like great, let's celebrate a man for beating some women. If you're black, your life matters, you're supposed to embrace it. If you're rich or you're smart, then you're probably Asian. If you're gay, then you're brave, all of that I'm okay with. But if you're white, the stereotype is you are a racist. Blaming capitalism like that's the reason things are tough. While you tweet from an iPhone and sip on a Starbucks. You're supporting what you stand against, you don't think you are, but a Percocet addict don't donate money to pharma. Damn dog, we're all afraid to speak the truth. And the more afraid we get, the more we hate the ones who do. You're ashamed to be American? Okay, that's cool. Cause honestly, we are all ashamed of you too. Y'all are so fake. Oh no. The forecast said that there'd be snowflakes. Whoa. You can make us see it your way. No way. Gasoline and propane. More flames. Oh no. No more snowflakes. We can all get along, but there's no stopping. Everybody's wrong, that's the real problem. They don't want to hear it, but they still talking. Soon enough, we running out of options. This ain't gonna end till it's in the coffin. We ain't gonna be friends till we try to squash it. I don't know how we can make amends or we drop it. Snowflakes melt when it's hot, kid. Y'all are so fake. Oh no. The forecast said that there'd be snowflakes. Whoa. You can make us see it your way. No way. Gasoline and propane. More flames. Oh no. No more snowflakes.
So guys, again, you know, apologize, we can't really demo this bike. The battery's low, and that headlight, I kind of wish there was a way to turn these Harleys on without the headlight coming on, because this headlight, I mean, this is definitely a badass headlight. I mean, it's, even looking at it from the side, you get hit with these. I mean, this thing, man, it's pretty amazing. Yeah, I mean, it's really bright. It's one of the brightest headlights I've ever seen. and it sucks the power as battery hardcore. So I'm already dealing with a low battery, and then y'all seen how that thing was just blinking. I don't want to put that load on the system. I'm not getting enough power to the amplifiers. That's really too bad because this bike is screaming loud and crystal clear. Now, DSP makes a big difference when you're running 2 amplifiers. Not necessarily do we recommend on one. It does help. It can improve, but different subject, different day. But this is 21 Road Glides. Head out here in a few hours. Just want to get it wrapped up for the customer. Maybe when it comes back, he's a local for some reason. I can get a better video for it next time. All right. Take care, guys.